This is just some regular ice, but it's filled with bubbles, and I think it's really ugly. What I want is some beautiful ice that's perfectly clear, and I think I'm going to try making some. To get started, all I need is a regular cooler, and I'll fill it with some warm tap water. I'll bring it up to roughly an inch from the top, and then I can put this entire thing in the freezer. Using a cooler to do this forces the ice to form from the top down. This allows it to freeze without trapping air, and I have to leave it in there for about 36 hours. At this point, it should be good to go, and I can take it out. I'll then flip it upside down, and I'll leave it in the sink for a while. I then pulled away the cooler, and I had a bunch of ice. A lot of it hadn't frozen though, and I carefully got rid of it. At the bottom was a really nice and thick chunk of ice. It's a bit too big though, and I'll have to chop it up. To do this, I apparently just had to make a shallow cut all the way around. Then, when I tap it with a knife and a hammer, it's supposed to make a clean break. However, I think I hit it a bit too hard. This was kind of sad, but I was a lot better with the other cuts, and I was able to chop it into 4 large chunks. I then ran one of them under water to clean it up, and this was what I was left with. It's somehow even better than I thought it would be, and it kind of blows my mind how clear it is. There are some spots with some small bubbles, but it's still really impressive, and I think that it almost looks fake.